Birth Control donated $15. Doc, I just wanted to extend the firmest of handshakes for the Thanksgiving stream tomorrow. My mother passed away a few weeks ago. I guess we'll be spending this holiday with the greatest of families, the Slick Daddy Club. Sorry to hear about your loss. The Slick Daddy Club is going to welcome you with open arms to the brotherhood and sisterhood of this organization. We're all celebrating tomorrow. And I hope you get involved. I hope you have a few gin and tonics, just for me. Huh? Just for me. It's a classy drink. Whoa. Whoa.
You have a new member of the Slick Daddy Club.
This font. Okay.
New donation. Ooh, I feel so damn good. You have a new member of the Slick Daddy Club.
Just give me a nice little red dot or something. Extended mag. Yeah, we can do extended mag.
You have a new member of the Slick Daddy Club.
All right, I'm pounding the keys. Because I'm... Oh, they didn't...
Of the Slick Daddy
What the hell? Anybody see that? Standard quick draw. That's what we're looking for the entire time.
You have a new member of the Slick Daddy Club. A new donation. Ooh, I feel so damn good.
So it feels good for landing somewhere else. Oh, that's what's different. They're pushing the door open. Okay, gotcha.
You have a new member of the Slick Daddy Club.
Oh,
You have a new member
there we go.
of the Slick Daddy Club.
Just give me the sight. Give me the two-time. Give me the red dot. Anything. I thought I saw you underneath there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait a minute. It's the vault, huh? What the hell?
New donation. Ooh, I feel so damn good.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Is there any sights of this? You.
New donation. Ooh, I feel so damn good.
All right, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that, and then let's go like that. far do we have to go here? Ross Cock. Better. Better. More versatile. Just a better, more versatile player. I don't know how else to, like, what else to say. Okay. So like that. Put the compensator on. Go like that. We'll go like that. Okay. Right, not a big deal. Oh, the 8 time. This is what he was telling me about. Okay. This is what Visions was telling me about. At least the lag of zooming in, it's not there anymore. This is not too bad. Yeah, I could see the little circle, though. That could be kind of a distraction. Okay. Feels pretty good. Not gonna lie. Feels pretty good. Now that the frames are... Oh, you brought me a lot of stuff, didn't you? Brought me a lot of stuff. Am I level 3? Oh no, I'm not level 3 out of my mind yet. Not yet. Right? God, it runs really smooth, though. Not gonna lie, it's running really smooth. It's the first time where I'm not getting jitters in this game, like little stutters, micro stutter jittering. Whoa, whoa, look at this guy. Where you going, werewolf? Huh? Hey, werewolf, it's my game. Get off my game, right? Go play Miss Pac-Man. Welcome to my world. Like that, going in and out of the gas. That's what it should be, but I think when you're in it, it should be like, right? Really, I do like that. I think it should be more consistent. I think it should really, so you can't hear anything when you're in it. Jesus Christ, come on, man. Come on. I think when you're in it, it should be... This is the worst driving experience ever in the history of this game. It's on me. I decided to take this route, which probably wasn't the smart route to take. Hold on, wait for me, guys.
You have a new member of the Slick Daddy Club.
Is this him? Dude. Let's just drop one of these so I can get some more ammo. Are you kidding me? Whatever. I know I got a lot. That door just opened? No. I'm... Trip. $15 boost. Would have been nice to have that 4 time. But I kind of want to test this 8 time out some more. All right. Look at that. Right in the middle of the zone.
New donation. Oh, I feel so damn good. New donation. Oh, I feel so damn good.
Ain't gonna happen, bruh. Way too dominant. Ain't gonna happen, bruh. Take that level 3 helmet though off your hands. Fresh one. Fresh one. Okay, go. Moving on up. Am I level 3'd out of my mind? Yeah.
Oh, I feel so damn good. You have a new member of the Slick Daddy Club.
Let's go, baby.
New donation. Oh, I feel so damn committed to the club. Member has recommitted to the club.
All right, let's double boost here.
Member has recommitted to the club.
Let's get a nice double boosty. Hits 101 donated $5. Ain't gonna happen, bruh. Get him up out of here, baby. Says Hits 101 with a $5 donation right now. That arch guy donated $5. I'm donating only to tell you to scroll and zoom with the new 8 times so your chat doesn't explode. What? What the hell is that? Kind of weird. The Prime operator donated $5. Says, are you having any chicken enchilada today, Doc? Ay, mamacita! I don't know what's on the Devour plate today. But boy, oh boy, the doctor's stomach is... We're getting into it. Late to the show. Look at this guy. You guys late to the show too?
Oh, I feel so damn good. Member has recommitted to the club.
Okay.
New donation. Ooh, I feel so damn good.
I just gotta go. Or we have to go. All right.
New donation. Ooh, I feel so damn good. Member has recommitted to the club.
My God. Really damaging it, huh? There's just no way. I can't get out of it. Stupid game. This game is so terrible. Like their decision, I don't know.